This is R.D. Sharma Solution, Class 11, Chapter 31, Mathematical Reasoning, Exercises 31.1. Now find out which of the following sentences are statements and which are not. Justify your answer. So before we go ahead, let me tell you about the theory that whichever sentence is assertive or declarative, that means this statement you can find out falsity or truthness. If you are asking some certain question, interrogative statement is not a statement. If you are showing your emotion, exclamatory sentence, not a statement. So it has to be ASDS, assertive sentence or declarative sentence. You learn it more by seeing these questions. The first one is listen to me, Ravi. So now we have an exclamation mark you see here. Listen to me, Ravi. Therefore, this is not a statement. In mathematical statement, this is not a mathematical statement actually. In mathematics, we don't consider it as this statement. Okay. Now, next one is every set is a finite set. What does it mean? It's something being called, means some declaration, assertion has been made. So there is an assertion taking place here. And both things which are being discussed in this particular statement can be verified, set and a finite set. So every set is a finite set, but we know that this is false. But still, this is an assertive or declarative sentence. So basically, it's an assertive sentence. So this is a statement. Whether it is false or true, that is the second step we take in order to finally declare that it is a statement. Some sets that are infinite also. Every set is a finite set, but the statement is wrong. It's an invalid statement. But the crux is it's a valid statement or invalid statement. It is a statement. For example, if you take a number line, it goes up to minus infinity, plus infinity. You take any part, it will be finite. If you take any part, it may be infinite. So this is an assertive sentence. That is why it is a statement. Two non-empty sets have always non-empty intersection. Now again, this is an assertion, proper assertion, and we can verify it whether it is true or false. So that means when it is an assertive sentence, it is a statement. So if you take two sets, they have some content here. And when we have an intersection, non-empty intersection means, see, if you intersect them, it will be a non-empty intersection. Always, the question is always. If it is 1, 2, 3, 4, there will be no intersection in between. Okay, this is false. But still it is a statement. It's an assertion. It's an assertive sentence. So statement is there, though it may not be true every time. Okay. Now, mathematics, please remember, assertive or declarative are the statements. The pussycat is black. Now you are declaring it. There is a cat and it is black. So this is a declarative sentence. You're declaring it. If the cat is actually black, it's a valid statement. If a cat is not black, it's an invalid statement. But the thing is, it is a statement. Are all circles round? Now here, if you remove the question mark, then we can discuss. But right now, what I'm seeing here is a question mark. So you are asking a question. It cannot be a statement. Interrogative, exclamatory cannot be a sentence. Are all circles round? So this is English. This is not mathematics. Exclamation, question mark, whenever you see it, you can easily say that these are not statements. Next one. All triangles have three sides. This is again a declaration. It's a declaration. Whether it is true or false, we'll check later. But right now, it's a statement. Every rhombus is a square. Now, every rhombus is a square. A square has to have 90 degree. All the angles 90 degree. But rhombus, because the sides are all equal, the sides are equal. It can be a square. It cannot be a square. That is a different thing. But our perspective is that this is a statement. This particular line is actually a statement. See, square means all four sides have to be equal and 90 degree all angles. So when we take a rhombus, it can be like this. It can have different angles. Different means not 90 degree. But the declarative sentence is a sentence when its falsity and truth can be established, and we can establish it. Okay. Next one is x square plus 5 mod x plus 6. This one I am taking. So this has real roots or no real roots. The basic thing is whether it is correct or not, we'll see later. But thing is, we have a proper equation and we are being said or declared that this has no real roots. That means it is true declarative sentence. So it is a statement. Okay. So it's a declarative statement. True or false, we'll see later. The sentence is a statement. Now the problem here is in the first go you'll say it is a statement. But why it is not a statement? Because the sentence you don't know. You are saying this sentence is a statement. What is the sentence? First we need to know what is the sentence. Then only we can say it is a statement or not. Because pussycat is black, you are saying it. This is a pussycat and this is black. But the sentence is a statement. What about the sentence? Okay. So this is a confusion. But it's very clear that this is not a statement. Because we don't know the statement. First thing, it has to be assertive. And then second thing, falsity or truth we can establish. In this, it seems to be a statement, but the truth and false we cannot say. Is the earth round? No question. Question answers cannot be a statement. So just outright deny it. Next one is go. It's an exclamation mark. That is, it's an exclamatory. The next one is the real number is less than 2. X is. Now the real number x is not known to us. How can you say it is less than or greater than 2? Until we know this real number, we cannot establish the truth and false. Though this number is a sentence, this sentence is a statement. It looks like a statement. But the truth and falsity we cannot establish. That is why we say it is not a statement. There are 35 days in a month. Is it right? 35 days? It's a statement. But it is wrong statement. It's an assertion. Okay. So when you assert something, it's a statement. And also it is false. So falsity can also be established. Mathematics is difficult. Now this is a very tricky one. It is a statement first of all. Because for some people if you ask, they'll say mathematics is very difficult. But some people will say, no, mathematics is okay. And some will answer that it's okay, it's moderate. I don't feel like it's being difficult or easy. So it is a statement and the falsity and truth can also be established. All real numbers are complex numbers. First thing is real number you know, complex number you know. That means this is a statement. There is no question mark, there is no exclamation mark. So it's a statement. But real number, if you take any real number, you can always write it in x plus 0i form because complex number is x plus yi form. Y can be 0 always. So it is true. The product of minus 1 and 8 is 8. That's wrong. Minus 1 into 8 is minus 8. But still it's a statement because it's an assertive sentence. The answer may be wrong. The statement may be false, but it is a statement. Now give 3 examples of sentences which are not statement. Give reasons for the answers. Now what you can do is you can just go back to the previous question. You can take 3 out of them and just say that why they are not called statement or why we are not calling them as a statement. This you can always do. But we can add some other also. So this you have to justify also that these are not statement. Take one exclamatory, take one interrogative, and take one the truth or false cannot be established. I won the trophy. This is exclamation mark, exclamatory marks. It's not a statement. Okay, alas, ullas, feelings. You're showing feelings. Can you do this work for me? You're asking for something, requesting something, or demanding something. So it's a interrogative statement, not a statement. Please fetch me a glass of water. You're asking something. Imperative sentence. Okay, you're either requesting. So imperative sentence cannot be a statement. You can add one more. The other person is, I'm just adding anything, is always lesser in height. So this is a vague statement. What is the other person? Who is the other person? And all other person, every other person. So this is a vague statement. So this is not a statement. This seems to be a statement, but this is not a statement. Okay, guys, this is 31.1 for you. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.